Chapter 3: Creating an Effective LinkedIn Profile. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital representation in the professional world. It serves as a powerful tool to showcase your skills, experience, and personal brand. In Chapter 3, we will explore the key elements and strategies for creating an effective LinkedIn profile that attracts attention, establishes credibility, and helps you stand out in a competitive market. By optimizing your profile, you can maximize your visibility, expand your network, and create opportunities for business growth and career advancement. Creating an impactful LinkedIn profile involves attention to detail and careful consideration of various components. Let's dive into the essential elements that make up an effective LinkedIn profile. Profile photo and background image. Your profile photo is the first impression you make on LinkedIn, and it should convey professionalism and approachability. When selecting a profile photo, choose a high-quality image where you are dressed appropriately for your industry. A friendly smile can help create a welcoming impression. Additionally, consider using a background image that aligns with your personal brand or showcases your professional interests. It adds visual interest to your profile and further reflects your personality and industry focus. Compelling headline. Your headline appears just below your name and is a prime opportunity to grab attention. Instead of simply stating your job title, craft a compelling headline that highlights your unique value proposition and captures the interest of visitors. Use concise and impactful language to communicate your expertise, industry focus, and professional goals. A compelling headline helps you stand out among other professionals and entices visitors to learn more about you. Summary statement. The summary section is your chance to tell your professional story and provide a comprehensive overview of your background, skills, and career aspirations. It should be concise, engaging, and focused on highlighting your key achievements and areas of expertise. Use this section to showcase your unique value proposition, convey your passion for your work, and demonstrate your commitment to excellence. A well-crafted summary statement can pique the interest of visitors and compel them to explore further. Experience and achievements. The experience section allows you to showcase your professional journey, including your current and past roles, responsibilities, and accomplishments. Use bullet points or concise paragraphs to outline your key achievements, highlighting the quantifiable impact you made in each role. Incorporate relevant keywords to optimize your profile for searchability within your industry. Additionally, consider adding multimedia elements such as links to projects, articles, or presentations to provide further evidence of your expertise. Skills and endorsements. LinkedIn provides a dedicated section for listing your skills. Choose skills that align with your industry, expertise, and career goals. Be specific and include both hard and soft skills. Prioritize skills that are most relevant to your current objectives. As you grow your network, actively seek endorsements from colleagues, clients, and other professionals. Endorsements validate your skills and enhance your profile's credibility. Recommendations. Recommendations are powerful social proof of your professional abilities and character. Reach out to colleagues, supervisors, clients, and other professional connections and kindly request recommendations. Provide them with guidance on what aspects you would like them to highlight in their recommendation. Positive recommendations strengthen your profile and enhance your professional reputation. Education and certifications. Include your educational background, highlighting relevant degrees, certifications, and courses. Mention any honors, awards, or notable achievements during your academic journey. This section demonstrates your commitment to continuous learning and development, adding depth to your professional profile. Additional sections and media. LinkedIn offers additional sections where you can showcase your publications, volunteer experiences, languages spoken, and other relevant information. Take advantage of these sections to provide a more comprehensive overview of your professional background and interests. Additionally, leverage multimedia elements such as images, videos, or presentations to enrich your profile and make it visually engaging. Engaging with content. An effective LinkedIn profile is not just a static representation, it's a platform for engagement. Actively participate in discussions, share valuable content, and contribute insights within your industry. Engaging with content helps you build relationships, expand your network, and position yourself as a knowledgeable professional within your field. By optimizing each element of your LinkedIn profile, you can create a compelling digital presence that captures attention and showcases your professional brand. Invest time in crafting a well-written summary, highlight your achievements, and seek endorsements and recommendations to strengthen your profile's credibility. Remember to engage with content and leverage multimedia elements to provide a dynamic and visually appealing profile.